Students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 12th, subject economics, and today we are going to explain the conditions leading to maximization of profits by a producer. Use marginal cost and marginal revenue approach. When we talk about the producer's equilibrium, जैसा कि बेटा मैंने पिछले लेक्चर में आपको बताया कि प्रोड्यूसर्स इक्विलिब्रियम उस चीज को कहते हैं कि जब एक प्रोड्यूसर को सेटिस्फैक्शन मिले या कि उसका प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइज हो, यानी इसको हम देखते हैं कि व्हेन marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue, or we can say that producer's equilibrium is often explained in terms of marginal revenue and marginal cost of production. Profit is maximized when two conditions are satisfied. Number one is when marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. It is one condition for profit maximization. And number two condition is when marginal cost is rising or marginal cost is greater than MR, or marginal cost is greater than marginal revenue. These are the two conditions of profit maximization. Beyond the point of equilibrium of output, let us understand the significance of the conditions with the help of this table. अभी मैं आपको टेबल दिखाने जा रहा हूं कि इसके लिए जब हम बेटा एक टेबल को फ्रेम करते हैं, क्वांटिटी और यूनिट्स ऑफ आउटपुट हम लिखते हैं, यूनिट्स ऑफ आउटपुट दैट कैन बी डिनोटेड बाय क्यू, दैट इज 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and when marginal revenue MR, marginal revenue is same 12 12 12 12 12 12 and 12, and the marginal cost in rupees, MR is also in rupees, that is 15 12 10 9 8 8 7 8. So dear students, here the total revenue is total revenue situation. First, I am going to say that marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost, and marginal cost is falling. Total revenue is equal to summation of MR. Summation of MR is equal to 12 and 12. Here 12 plus 12, that is equal to 24. And the total variable cost is equal to summation of marginal cost is equal to 15 plus 8, that is equal to 23. And pi profit maximization, that is equal to total revenue minus total cost, or equal to 24 minus 23, that is equal to 1. So now we talk about this situation second, when marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost and marginal cost is rising. Total revenue means 12 plus 12 plus 12, 12 plus 12. Total variable cost, total revenue is equal to summation of marginal revenue. Marginal revenue is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 12 into 7, that is equal to 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are, and 1 8, 84. And the total variable cost is equal to summation of marginal cost is equal to 15 plus 5 plus 2, 7, 7, 7, 7, 14, and 2, 16. So plus 8, 24, 24 plus 7. 24 plus 7 is equal to 31. 31 plus 8 is equal to 39. 9 3 is carry, 3 and 1 4, 4 and 1 5, and 1 6. So dear students, pi is equal to total revenue minus total variable cost, that is equal to 84 minus 69, that is equal to 5, 7 minus 6, 1, that is equal to 15. Thus, we find that the difference between total revenue and total variable cost tends to rise. As output is increased from 2 to 7, it is only when output 10 that the value of profit is maximum. If output is increased beyond 10 units, then pi will reduce. Finally, the conclusion emerges that it is only when marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. When marginal cost is rising, that a producer will reach the point of his equilibrium, maximizing his profit. Dear students, it was the question on explain the condition leading to maximization of profits. Now, besides that, I further explained it with the help of this diagram, that you know that on x-axis we take output and on y-axis we take price. When price is constant, or you can say that it is marginal revenue is equal to average revenue is equal to price, and when quantity demanded is Q, it raised up to Q1, and this is the curve, this is called MC, or is equal to called additional units. So dear students, this shaded portion, or this here marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost, and here on this marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost, and marginal cost is greater than marginal revenue. So dear students, I hope that you understand it. Inshallah, We are going to discuss more on this topic in my next lecture. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Thank you very much.